Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you an upgraded ImagUpscaler and video enhancer tool. And now it comes with a brand new AI model that can restore even the blurriest photos to unbelievable clarity. Whether you want to sharpen old memories, fix low-quality images, or enhance your videos to look crystal clear, this tool does it all, completely free, with no login required. Let's jump in and see how powerful this new model really is. Here at the top of the website, you'll see a few main options. ImagUpscaler. This is the main tool we are using to enlarge and sharpen our photos. Old photo restoration. This option is for fixing and restoring old, damaged, or faded photos using AI. Video enhancer. Here, you can upload videos and improve their quality, sharpness, and details. And on the right side, there is the product menu where you can find more AI tools and features from ImagUpscaler. Here you can see 3 AI models. Beta, the newest and most powerful for restoring blurry photos. V1, fast, the quickest model for instant results. V2, Pro, the Pro model with balanced speed and quality. Below this, you can upload up to 3 images and the tool will enhance them automatically. Now, I'm selecting my image from the computer and clicking Open. As soon as the upload completes, the AI starts working automatically. And here, you can clearly see the results. The left side shows the original blurry image, and on the right, you can see the enhanced version with sharp details, clearer facial features, and overall improved quality. The difference is really impressive for just one click. And on the top, you also get multiple resolution options like 2K, 4K, 8K, even 16K. So if you want even higher quality, you can simply click any of these and the tool will upscale your image to that resolution. Now I'm uploading another image to show you one more example. I select the photo and click Open, and the upload begins instantly. Once it loads, I choose the V2 Pro model, the advanced option that gives sharp, clear, and natural-looking results. And here you can see the results. The left side shows the original image, and the right side is the enhanced version with much cleaner details, sharper edges, and a clearer overall look. The AI has done an amazing job improving the quality with just one click. Now I'm opening the old photo restoration tool. This feature is perfect for repairing old, damaged, or faded photos. You can choose between Restore, Restore, Pro, or even Colorize to bring black and white photos back to life. Now, I'm selecting an old photo from my computer and clicking Upload Image. The AI instantly starts processing the picture, restoring the lost details, sharpening the face, and improving the overall quality within a few seconds. And here, you can see the results. On the left is the original old photo, and on the right is the restored version. The AI has brought back the missing details, cleaned up the damage, and made the picture look much clearer and sharper, all automatically. Now I'm opening the Video Enhancer tool. This feature uses advanced AI to improve video quality automatically. It can sharpen details, reduce noise, restore colors, and even upscale your video up to 4K, all without any editing skills. Here, you simply click Upload Video, and you can upload clips up to 720p, under 50 megabytes, and up to 30 seconds. It supports MP4 and M4V formats. Now I'm selecting my video file and clicking Upload Video. As soon as the upload begins, the AI automatically starts enhancing the footage, sharpening the details, balancing the colors, reducing noise, and making the overall video look cleaner and more professional. Once the processing is done, you can clearly see the difference. The left side shows the original low-quality clip, and the right side displays the enhanced version with brighter colors, sharper edges, and a much smoother overall look. The improvement is really noticeable. Alright guys, that was a complete walkthrough of ImagUpscaler's powerful AI tools. From image upscaling to old photo restoration and video enhancement. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. And the best part, all these tools are free to use and I've added the link in the description below. Go try them out yourself and see the results. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.